Hello, dear students. Actually, a special type of question is given in books of CBSE board, that is called assertion reason type question. Assertion reason type question that you faced first time in 9th class. So some students are in doubt that how can solve it. How can solve it? Actually, they do not know the process to solve that question. Actually, that is very easy. Okay, I will do that process to solve this assertion reason type question, and you will understand what is the process to solve this question. Actually, in this type of question, there is given many questions labeled assertion and reason. As example, this is 5 question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is labeled as assertion reason. Assertion reason. Assertion reason. Assertion reason. Assertion reason. This is 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Given 5 question. Given how many question? 5 question. Okay, and every question have 2 statement. Every question have 2 statement. Assertion, reason. Assertion, reason. Assertion, reason. Assertion, reason. Assertion, reason. Given 5 question, every question have 2 statement in the form of assertion and reason. Okay, and for every question in both statement, assertion, reason, for every question there is 4 possibilities. Okay, for every question in this question given 4 possibilities: first, second, third, fourth. Okay, in this question, for every question, for first question also 4 possibilities: 1, 2, 3, 4. Any one will be correct for one question. In these 4 options, first option, second option, third option, 4 option. First option, second option, third option, 4. 4 option provided. 4 option provided for every question. For this question, these 4 option also for second question. Okay, so for every question in this 5, for every question in this 5, first question, second question, third question, fourth question, fifth question, for every questions in this 5, these 4 options provided. Any one option is correct for every question. Understood? I think you better understood what I am saying. Understood now, beta? See here. Actually, first question, assertion form. The object present in dark room are not visible. The object present in dark room are not visible. It is correct. What is the reason provided of this statement? The presence of light is essential for vision. It is correct. We cannot see in the dark room the object because light is essential thing for seeing, for vision, for sight. So, for this question, any one statement is correct. See, both A and R true. Yes, A is true and R is true. It is right. Assertion is also true and reason is also true. And R is correct explanation of A. It is right. R is correct explanation of A. We cannot see the object in dark room because light is essential thing for vision. Light is essential thing for vision. When light available, then we can see the object. So, was reality reason that's provided is correct explanation of A. So, for this first question, the first option is the correct in this 4. Second, see, both A and R true, but R is not correct explanation. Wrong. For this question, this is correct explanation of A. So this is not possible in this question. Okay. Third, A is true but R is false. A is true but R is false. No, R is also true. So this is also not option for first question. A is false. Where A is false? The object present in dark room are not visible. It is right, not false. So this is also not option for question number first. It is the process to solve the assertion and reason. Let's see second question. Let's see second question. Second question. The reflection taking place from surface of mirror, right? The reflection taking place from surface of mirror or highly polished object, yes, still water is regular reflection. Statement is correct. Statement is correct. Regular reflection takes place from mirror, highly polished surface or still water. Yes. Now, R. The regular reflection helps in seeing our image as well as solar cooker. Yes. Regular reflection due to which we can see our image, and also in solar cookers and other optical instrument use the regular reflection happening. Yes, this is correct. This is correct. So assertion is also correct and reason is also correct, but both statements are correct. But this statement, reason type statement, this statement is not real explanation of assertion. Why? Why these object, highly polished object, still water and mirror, why these object provide the regular reflection? Why? The answer of this statement, that why mirror, why still water, why a smooth surface provide regular reflection. So both statements are correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. But this is not correct explanation of this statement. Why? Because if in reason provided the fact about regular reflection from mirror, highly polished surface, then we can say that R is the correct explanation of assertion. That is not provided. But both statements are right. Then for this statement, for this question, second question, the correct answer is second. Both A and R true, but R is not correct explanation. Okay, correct explanation not. R is true, but not provide correct explanation. So option number second is right for the question number second. First is wrong. Second is also wrong. Third is also wrong. A is true, but R is false. Not R is right, but not correct explanation. And fourth, A is false. Not possible. A is right. Okay. So option number second right for question number second. Okay. This is the process. This is the process to solve the assertion reason type question. Now we see third question. Third question. Assertion. Incident ray coincide with normal, right? When the light ray strikes the surface normally. Correct. Reason. In such angle of incidence angle 90 degree, such a case, correct. A is also correct. In normal coincides, in normal incidence, in normal incidence, angle of incidence is 90 degrees. So, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Incident ray coincide with normal with the when the light ray strikes the surface normally. Correct. But reason provided the angle of incidence 90. Wrong. The angle of incidence in normal incidence is 0 degree. That's I told you. So the option is right. That is A is true but R is false. This is right because A and R true. That is not possible. R is not true. A and R true. Where R true? R is not true. So first and second option not is the correct answer for the third question. The correct option is A. Understood? And now we see question number 4. Virtual image is formed when the ray of light after reflection or refraction actually meet at some other point. Wrong. When actually meet at some other point, then real image form. Virtual image is formed when appears to meet at some other point. So A is wrong. A is wrong. Reason: the virtual image cannot be taken on screen. It is right. So A is false but R is true. Fourth option is right because A and R true. No. A is not true. This is not possible. This is not possible. It is not possible. A is true provided. It is right. A is false for statement number 4. And the very last, fifth statement. Irregular reflection cuts off glare. It is right. Cuts off glare. Brightness will reduced in irregular reflection and soothing to eyes. Yes, eyes are very rest in irregular reflection by walls, by me. Reason: irregular reflection helps the light spread over vast area, thereby helping general illumination. Right. This is right. So A and R is true and R is correct explanation. For fourth question, 4 is right, and for fifth question, first is right. Both A and R true. Yes, A is true, R is true. A is true and R is true. Beta, both true. A is true and R is true. Irregular reflection cuts off glare. Right. Irregular reflection is spread over vast area. This is correct explanation. So, for fifth question, first option is correct. Okay. Now, it is all the way to solve the assertion region. All the assertion region question I made solve. Okay, I will tell you how to solve these questions. Okay, so now we see some other important question. Okay, in this plane mirror. Okay, let's see in 1 minute. Now we see some questions about this plane mirror. First question: we can see in a room which is not directly illuminated by sunlight. We can see in a room. We can see in a room which is not directly illuminated by sunlight. This is a room. This is a room. We can see in this room. We can see in this room that is not directly illuminated by sunlight. That means to say sunlight is not directly entered in the room. Then how can you see in this room? There is no any light source also. No any light source in this room. Then how can you see in the inner form of room? There is 4 options. Any one is right. Due to irregular reflection, due to refraction, due to irregular reflection, First option is regular reflection, second refraction, third irregular reflection, and fourth none of these. In this room there is no any light source, not sunlight directly entered, not sunlight directly entered from the sun. Then how can you see in the internal? By irregular reflection or regular reflection or refraction or none of these. There is no any chance of refraction. Then that you can see. This is not possible. None of these not possible. These are two options in which any one is right. Regular reflection or irregular reflection. Any one is right. Actually, the correct answer is irregular reflection. Why? Because normally we can see any object by irregular reflection. Okay. Now, second question, see. First, mid-mobile position in landscape. Do this form. Now, see, when the rays of light diverging from a point after reflection either actually meet or appears to meet at some other point. Okay? Starting from a point after reflection or reflection actually meet or appears to meet at other point, okay, then that point is called, see, that point is called what? That point is called what? Shadow, reference point, image, none of these. You know very well. That is image. Now see the next question. Now, we see the third question. I ask you, you will give me answer. I will give you option. First, third question. No matter how far you stand, from a mirror, your image appears erect. There is no any matter how far you stand from a mirror. Okay, your image appears erect. Okay, what is the mirror nature? There is a mirror, and no matter how far you from the mirror, you stand up here, your image is always erect. What is the nature of the mirror? First, plane mirror. Okay, plane mirror. And second, that you don't know, that is convex mirror. That you don't know, I tell you after some time. Okay, so let's meet in next video with some next topics. Okay, goodbye.